English Basic Practice Day 4. When do you wake up? When do you take breakfast? When do you decide? When do you declare? When do you go? When do you deliver? When do you donate? When do you depart? When do you deposit? When do you help? When do you increase? When do you inform? When do you share? When do you buy? When do you write? When do you read? When do you play? When do you complete? When do you come? When do you pray? When does she return? When does he walk? When does it enter? When do they meet? When do we enjoy? When do I sleep?